Your favorite of mine are lycopene-rich foods. So we're talking about tomatoes, watermelon, guava, pink grapefruit. Lycopene is actually a natural dye that gives foods their beautiful red color, and it protects DNA. So a great source of lycopene is a tomato, one of my favorites, and I know yours as well.
That's a hot tomato.
Exactly. Now look, we can cook it all down in order to get our lycopene, but an even better way that I like for a burst of lycopene is actually sun-dried tomatoes.
I love sun-dried, and new on the market too, fairly new, is semi-dried, not new in Italy, but here as a condiment for your crostini bars are semi-dried tomatoes.
That's right.
And they're very sweet and sugary, and the great thing about sun-dried and semi-dried is it brings the tomato back to its full flavor.
Exactly.
It gives it a big burst.
So you just chop those up, add a little olive oil. I like to chop it up with some olives, capers, a little dash of oregano, and a little bit of sea salt. And then all you got to do is serve it up like you have here.
I dished you one.
All right, thank you very much.
So we can
Cheers.
do a lycopene. Cheers.
All right. So good. So good.
If I were a cat, I would be purring. So, Will, I've got a mouthful of lycopene. Tell them what this one is.
All right. This is a book that I was asked to make, privileged to make, by the Vatican. I was invited to give a talk there at a conference a few years ago, and they asked if I would actually prepare something that would be have the spirit of the Mediterranean. So what did I do? I asked all my friends, I had super chefs from all kinds of restaurants, and my
a little
great
cook
friend,
from upstate New York,
Rachael. And I gotta tell you, Rachael, your recipes rocked. They were the best that we've actually got.
and Will Lee, Vatican. Woo! Listen, I love you, and I so believe in everything you're trying to share with people. I just want to add something else about this book. It's already a bestseller. They don't need my help. But I want to say, if you're watching, this book, no pun intended, is easy to digest. It's not nerdy or over your head. It really changes your life. Everyone in my family at every age values you and values the information that you gave us in this book. I really appreciate you.
Well, thank you.